The three people accused of murdering a man in Bradford County were in court today for a preliminary hearing. WENY's Lindsay Madison reports what happened.
Ronda Parker, her estranged husband Terry Parker, and his girlfriend Summer Heil are all accused of having a role in the murder and dismemberment of Michael Pruitt last month. And today, all three appeared for the first time in Bradford County Court to determine if there's enough evidence to go to trial. 12 people testified in Friday's preliminary hearing. One of them was Ronda's children. The witness testified she received screenshots from her mother of a text conversation between Ronda and Terry about how they allegedly killed Pruitt. During the cross-examination, Ronda's attorney argued Terry had access to Ronda's phone. One witness also testified about what he saw when he arrived on scene on March 11th to Ronda Parker's house on Sawyer Road in Springfield Township after being notified about a suspicious text message about a possible homicide. He says when he got there, he saw a burn pit, and just behind it were human remains. He said inside the house, there was a freshly painted wall in the kitchen, which stood out because the rest of the house wasn't painted. Summer's attorney argued the paintbrush was never tested for fingerprints or DNA and questioned the witness how he knew it was fresh since he didn't see anyone paint it. The witness explained he's done remodeling before, and there were indicators it was fresh. During the hearing, the Bradford County District Attorney also pulled up surveillance video of Summer and Terry at a Walmart buying a spade shovel, 3 pairs of gloves, and an axe. Pruitt's body was also dismembered before it was burned in the burn pit on Ronda's property. A forensic science expert from Mercyhurst University also testified that there were bullet fragments found in the burned remains of Pruitt's skull. At a press conference last month, DA Richard Wilson discussed the possibility of the death penalty for the Parkers. Today, WENY News asked where that stands.
There is no decision at this point by me whether to seek the death penalty against any of the defendants. That is something I will make at a later date, such as at the on or before the date of the formal arraignment.
A date hasn't been set yet for Ronda, Terry, and Summer's next court appearance. All of the charges each co-defendant was facing will carry over into a trial. In Bradford County, Lindsay Madison, WENY News.